it metric?
No. As long as it squeezes that rubber a little bit, you'll find.
We just got
You
this
don't
one.
want to squeeze it all the way, then you'll waste it. I mean,
Yeah.
you got to collapse. That's the last one. All right.
Where'd you see that right rear shit?
On the inside.
Of what? The tire or the rim?
Right here. Come on. All the way up back in there. See? We'll see. It's right there.
Ah.
The other one's in the dark spot.
Yeah, that would make a difference. Well, then what about these?
That's a good question too.
They don't have anything on them, so.
Yeah, I think you get your adjustment out of them.
So we found out that these tires are actually supposed to be on
Get your adjustment out of
specific
what?
spots because of that little
Oh, for
sticker.
the clutch?
Yeah, because I just tried to turn that center one and I can't hold this. It just didn't feel like it would do anything. You could probably take them and didn't have to see them.
Still no body on. We're gonna do the first test run today. That's Ray and Dwayne.